how to play Fortnite on PC with PS4 controller. So if you want to play Fortnite on PC with your PS4 controller, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your browser, and on your browser you need to search for DS4 Windows. Open the first website and then download the software. Once downloaded, extract the files and then access the application. After that, you'll get this kind of interface. You just need simply access the settings tab from the top and then go with controller or driver setup, which is right here. You just need simply install the first software and also the HID hide software, just in case you need it. Once done, click on the finish button and connect your DualShock 4 controller. Next, go with your settings again and then open the device options from the bottom of the list and then click on DS4 controller support. Make sure to enable this option. Finally, connect the controller and it will start appearing on your screen. So that's basically how you can play. And if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.